Welcome everyone. In this video, we are diving into the world of Apache Kafka, a powerful distributed streaming platform that's revolutionizing the way data is processed in real time. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting your journey into the data processing, understanding Kafka is essential in today's data-driven world. First thing first, before we dive into the installation process, let's briefly talk about what Kafka is and why it's important. Kafka acts as a messaging system that allows you to publish and subscribe the streaming of records. Similar to a message queue or enterprise messaging system, its scalability, fault tolerance, and durability make it ideal for handling large volumes of data in real time. Now let's get started with the installation process. But before we do that, ensure you have Java 8 or above installed on your machine as Kafka requires it to run. Once that's sorted, let's jump right in. So first thing first, let's download Kafka from official website. So I'll keep this link in the chat. And here is the binaries I'm going to download. I'm going to download 2.13 or this version. If you're using Scala, you can use no you can choose the version depending on your local Scala version. As of now, I'm not using any Scala, so I'm choosing Kafka 2.13 version. Once we download this, then start unzipping it. So I don't have any other tools to do it. So I'm using the command line. Yeah, once it's done, just navigate to Kafka folder. And here we need to update a couple of files. The Just navigate to the configuration folder. Here you see a zookeeper properties file. We need to update this path, the data directory path. This path is supposed to be up to this, where you install the Kafka and where you download the Kafka. So just update this. After this, one more file called server.properties. There's a log folder, log directory. So this one also we need to update. Just update this. Okay, now updating is done. Let's start running the server. First, we'll run the zookeeper. Just open a command prompt, navigate to this folder, and here now we'll start running the zookeeper. The code, I mean the file executables are in bin folder, and navigate to Windows folder. There there we have a zookeeper. So it requires configuration. Zookeeper properties configuration. Oh. If you see this kind of issue, there is a workaround for it. A simple workaround would be like just rename the folder, like a shorter name, like something like Kafka. Then update again. As we change the folder name, we need to update the same path in zookeeper.properties. Then next step is update server properties. Now start running the zookeeper. Sorry. Yes, cool. Now Zookeeper is running. Now we need to start running the Kafka broker. For that, just open one more command prompt to run broker. Just go to navigate to bin folder, then Windows folder, then Kafka server. Kafka-server start.bat, and it requires configuration server properties. Yes, now our Kafka broker is also running. I mean, server is also running. So let's test creating a topic. Just will create a topic. For that, just go to bin folder, Windows folder, or open a command prompt and navigate to this folder, bin and Windows folder. Then write, kafka-topics.bat. What we are doing to? We are going to create and bootstrap a server is localhost 9092 and replication factor 1 and partition count 1 topic test topic. Yes. Now topic is created successfully. Let's produce a message to this to the same topic. So for that we have a Kafka console producer in broker list, and then topic, that is test topic. Yes, now we successfully produce a message. Let's see how the consumer will work. So just open the command, another command prompt, and here run the consumer on a console consumer. Kafka console consumer bootstrap server. And which from which topic we are going to read? The test topic. So we'll read it from starting point onwards. So we'll pass a from beginning tag. So see here, we can able to read the message. So we'll produce couple of messages. So we can read. So it's like we are reading from the starting. We are provided this from beginning. So we can able to read from the starting. For example, if a new consumer started now, it will going to read from the current offset. That means whatever we are going to produce a current point from the current point of time, that only it can able to consume. The previous messages it cannot consume. Let's see in practice. So the same script for consuming test topic. Now I'm not going to give the from beginning tag. So if you see this, so whatever are the messages we are going to produce now, from now, that only the new consumer will consume. And there you have it, folks. You have successfully installed and configured the Kafka on your Windows machine. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering this powerful tool. But remember, this is just a beginning of your Kafka journey. There's still so much more to explore, from creating complex data pipelines to build real-time streaming applications. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any queries or need further assistance. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up. Thank you.